Hello everyone, it's Sheer, your AEC Tech Girl, and today I have some exciting news to share. I will be attending Autodesk DevCon 2024 in the amazing city of Boston. This will be my first time attending this particular conference, and I can't wait to dive into everything it has to offer. So let's talk about what DevCon is, the sessions I will be attending, and of course, some must-see spots in Boston. Autodesk DevCon is an incredible gathering designed for developers, thought leaders, and passionate creators in the tech and design industries. Whether you're a software developer, an engineer, an architect, a product manager like myself, or just a tech enthusiast, DevCon offers a unique opportunity to explore the latest innovations, learn new skills, and network with like-minded professionals. DevCon is taking place on May 14th and 15th at the Autodesk office in Boston. Autodesk is also hosting a DevCon event in Munich on May 28th and 29th. Unfortunately, I will only be attending the Boston one. Leave a comment down below if you'll be attending either the Boston or the Munich DevCons. The Boston Development Conference promises a rich schedule of over 13 expert-led sessions and workshops. I'll be focusing on the business track, which is perfect for those of us looking to enhance our strategic capabilities and stay ahead in our fields. This year, DevCon is packed with diverse tracks catered to a wide range of interests and specialties. From advanced software development techniques to the latest trends in design and manufacturing, there's something for everyone. You can see here what the focus is for this year's sessions. I will mostly be attending the business sessions with a little sprinkle of some case studies and workshops. Some of the sessions I'm most excited about are Developers Experience Roadmap, the why behind the ecosystem, case studies for Autodesk Forma extensions, agile and lean methodologies, and AIable, how and when to incorporate AI into your products. These sessions are just the tip of the iceberg, and I can't wait to bring back new ideas and insights. One of the highlights of DevCon is the networking opportunities it provides. The evening reception on the first day is an event I'm particularly excited about. It's being held at the Harpoon Brewery, a fantastic venue that promises a great atmosphere and a lot of cool brews. It's a great place to relax, connect, and meet people who share your interests. And I can't forget to mention the Forma Hackathon. This event is for software developers, and therefore I personally won't be attending. However, it looks really exciting. Developers will use Extension API and Forma SDK to build integrations and enhance Autodesk Forma. What's a trip without a little exploration? Am I right? Boston is a city rich in history and culture, and lucky for us, it's also home to Autodesk's office, which is located near the beautiful and historic North End. If you find yourself at DevCon, make sure to check out the Freedom Trail for a walk through history or relax at the Boston Common, America's oldest public park. For the foodies like myself, you can't miss trying some of the local seafood, especially the clam chowder. Last time I was in Boston, I had an incredible seafood tower filled with oysters, crab legs, shrimp, and more at Smith & Wollensky. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. There's also so much live music around Boston, so don't forget to check out the jazz scene or really any bar with a live band. Anyway, I'm beyond excited to attend Autodesk DevCon 2024 and bring back tons of new knowledge, experiences, and fun stories, of course. If you're planning to attend, let me know in the comments below or reach out on social media. Maybe we can meet up. And for those of you who can't make it, stay tuned for updates. If you enjoyed this preview of Autodesk DevCon and want more details on what I'll be learning and exploring, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons and turn on your notifications. See you next time, and always stay empowered, stay inspired, and always challenge what is possible.